Bow Wows. Do you think it's fixed and you're not getting the right dogs? It's 2-0. That's okay? I'll tell you what, I'm gonna let you choose your dog. Is that all right? Then if you pick the right one, you win. If you pick the wrong one, you lose. So bring them out. Here they are. So look at this. This is Bam Bam, and Bam Bam is a Boston Terrier. And this is Lily. Lily is a little of this and a little of that, but mostly Pomeranian. By your applause. Are you choosing Bam Bam? Are you choosing Lily? Bam Bam's on this side, Lily's on the Woof Woof side. Countdown, 3, 2, 1.